What's up, guys? Here we have an update on what I've been up to. So it's been a year. Both red Echoes are sold, and this is my daily. I sold the white RSX, the 06. Turns out I removed the front bumper. Car was crashed from the bottom, so I decided to get rid of it. But but I definitely need to do some upgrades. Look at these lights. They're horrible. They're really yellow, so I need to trade those out. It was all stock. Have the Type R wheels. Pretty dirty, so don't mind that. Recaro seats, of course, you've seen that. They were the leather, but decided to go with Recaro. I just love the way it looks. Car's a little dirty inside. But got the hybrid Maxim shift knob, and then leather wrapped steering wheel. Car needs a little work on top. Got to redo the clear coat, Type R wing, and then we did the red vinyl layover, and then we have the NVIDIA Q300, which I love. Just a really nice upgrade to stock. So here are what I have. So I have these headlights. They're the blackout housing from Type R. They're from Japan. As you can see, they are the original. Let me focus. Honda, you can see. They're the real Honda. Both of them. And then I have the Mugen strut bar. Focus. Mugen strut bar right there. And then Mishimoto rad and fans, which I will be opening and showing you guys. So just a quick little update. So those are the lights I'll be installing to replace those really horrible yellow lights. They're like hazed out. I didn't want to buff them because they're not. These were off of Amazon. Just a quick. I thought I'd work out. It didn't even last me a year, so we'll keep you guys posted. These are not install videos. These are just update videos, like my work on my car. So I'll keep updating, keep you guys posted. And this is my daily, so it is definitely dirty. Got power steering pump from Password JDM. It's been losing a lot of fluid for some reason, so I switched that out. And then this is a Password JDM one. AM intake, which I'm gonna get rid of. I want to get the cold ram hybrid racing. I got the F5 racing battery tie down. Engine bay's dirty. Would love to pull the engine out, clean everything out, subframe, re-gasket, reseal all the gaskets. So quite a few updates. Oh, I also got a JIC bar, JIC. I don't know how to say it. I mean, from Japan. Front tower bar. So I'll be installing that. That's it for now, guys. Bumpers off. So let me see, focus, there we go. Sorry, zoomed in. Bumpers off. So I got Phillips head, 10mm. And then, let's see, give me 5 seconds. Come on. Sorry, guys. There we go. There's a 10mm all the way back there. You can't really see it. And then there's a 10mm here, and that'll unbolt the headlight. So it's one up here, one up here, one down here, one over here, and then we'll get the headlights out. I'll be right back. So you have to take off the bracket that was on the car. This bracket was right here. There's a 10mm down there, so you take off the bracket, and then there's a, let me see, 10mm right there. You have to line up and then reinstall it, and that's the only one right now. So it's only one on the bracket to the headlight, and then there's, let's see, one here and one over there, and then one on top for onto the car. So headlights are on. Look at that difference. Right now I'm in the middle of installing the front strut bar, tower bar, the jig magic. So pretty easy. You got 2 12mm nuts on this side and 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4 of the 12mm studs. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Those headlights though, look at that. Alright guys, and there are, I showed you guys the headlights. So here's the Mugen is the strip tower, and then the Jig Magic is the front tower. So both make it start here, and then stay posted. Next video, Mishimoto intercooler. Sorry, excuse me, Mishimoto radiator with slim fans, some hybrid racing, silicone hoses, and then I have the thermostat Mishimoto and the temperature sensor for Mishimoto as well. So stay posted on that video. That'll be next week.